In this session, I'm going to explain the default settings one enable serial numbers. So we're going to say Utilities, Setup, Company Details. Then I'm going to click on Default Settings 1, and this option here, Enable Serial Numbers. The default is normally off. I'm going to switch this option on. This option is now going to allow me to add a serial number to a stock item, so that when I sell that item, a little screen is going to come up saying, what is the serial number for this specific item that you're selling? In other words, it is individual numbers. If I have 10 on-hand quantities, I can now specify 10 individual serial numbers for all my items. You have one stock code, but it's 10 different serial numbers. If we click on Accept, I'm going to say yes, and I'm going to say Stock Maintenance, and I've created an item already here called Serial Numbers. I'm going to click on Edit, and over here it says Store Serial Numbers. Now at this stage, you will not be asked for the serial number. All we're now saying is that this item, we can now in the future allocate a specific serial number, and that when we do sell this item, we can select a serial number. And I'll show that to you in another little session on serial numbers. So what we've looked at now is to switch on the serial number option so that it appears here under Stock Maintenance, Store Serial Numbers, and then I'm going to click on Accept. We will also have a report that we can look at to see what's happened to the serial numbers. And that concludes the first session on serial numbers.